Good morning. So here you see that I'm getting the freeze dryer filled up with peaches. Wisdom joined me and we got those done. We ended up not finishing this clip because the children packaged up the peaches and I didn't get that videoed. But we bought, our neighbors gave us a box of peaches. We bought another box, and then about a week later we got 2 more boxes. So the first box we just annihilated. We've been doing a lot of peach lemonade. Oh man, Wisdom's been making that. It's very, very delicious. And then we have some left in the freezer, some peaches in the freezer, and then we have a bunch of freeze dried. But that's what we've been working on for our peaches. I wanted to do some peach pie filling this year and just didn't get it done. But I'm not too sad about that. I will be out soon, but I just didn't want in this heat to do extra canning. My plan was to do so, and then when I went to start cutting peaches, this is actually our second batch in the freeze dryer. When I went to cut these to make pie filling, I just was like, yeah, never mind. I'll just do it the easier way. If you don't get those trays just right, they don't go in, and it's kind of annoying. Here, Wisdom wanted to do some peach puree. I'm not sure if she put lemon in that or not. I don't remember. But the whole point of this is for peach lemonade.
Okay, careful. That's good.
You can hear in the background the children are listening to an audiobook. That is super normal around here. The radio is almost always on. It can add to overstimulation sometimes for myself, but they just really enjoy it, so I try not to say no to it too often.
Cute. His ear's coming up. You see his ear? Huh? Corgis are supposed to have their ears up. You're getting there, bud. You're getting there. Yes, you are.
I love his eyebrows so much.
I like his little tan cheeks and his little tan eyebrow.
I'm piling the handle, Mom.
All of the puppies are getting so big and doing so much now. It's so much fun to watch. Cuddle with them. I'm actually cuddling with Bentley right now. He's here on the couch with me while I do this voiceover. And the creek is one of their favorite spots. Tequila has nearly quit nursing them. They nurse, I'd say, up to 3 times a day. This is crazy. He probably just flops himself there. I love seeing them roll and sometimes they'll run and do a somersault.
Azariah?
Bentley's waking up here, so that's pretty cute. Lots of cool rock findings.
What is it? Ew! Puppy sucked on that. What is it? It's caramel.
It's a rock, not caramel.
I thought it was caramel.
I thought it was caramel. Apple. No,
That's for you
there
and Johnny
you
Muffin.
go. Wait, feed Johnny Muffin a bite.
So you need to grab some.
The puppies have access to a kennel, and I love how they just find ways to sleep. This was really quickly after we got their kennel reset up. We have the litter boxes for them to go to the bathroom in, and then they can slide through that little hole there and go into the kennel. And I am amazed at how they don't poop in the kennel, and they just do so well. We hadn't gotten the water back in there. They had literally been in there about 5 minutes. They can make a mess of a kennel very quickly. So we're at a spot where we're cleaning the kennel twice a day because, see, they just make a mess fast. Wisdom made them a braided toy, and everybody's getting big. I love when they lay like that. They're so cute. And in the poop tray. So we take them out to play in the creek 2 or 3 times a day, sometimes just out in the front gravel. and then they come back and they're just pooped and take a good long nap. Here, Judah has found us a ton of chanterelles. I'm very excited, and I'll be making a cream of mushroom today. We were coming back from town, and Patrick and I found these raccoons in a neighbor's tree. So that was kind of fun. Not great video, so sorry about the shakiness.
There's 4 babies, but you can only see 3.
Actually, was it 4 or 5? Was it 4? I think it's 4 babies in the morning.
Wait a second, wait a second.
I see 2 went up. There's 3.
3, and then
there's
4. And
Mom's
Mom's
coming
coming,
down.
she's checking us out.
She's like, I'm gonna go get these guys.
Oh gosh, I'm rolling out my window because I'm a chicken. Chicken!
Like, I'm gonna go fight.
That's all I have tonight, but I hope you guys have a good evening, and we will see you next time. Bye.